Credit card debit consolidation, a step-by-step guide. Credit card debit consolidation is the process of combining all of your outstanding credit card debit into one payment. By doing so, you could achieve a more manageable monthly payment plus pay less in interest on the total debit. Consolidating debit involves basic steps like gathering information on your debit, comparing debit consolidation loan options, terms, and taking action. Benefits of consolidating credit card debit, combining all of your credit card debit into one account could provide several benefits. They include lower interest rates by consolidating your credit card debit. You could obtain a lower interest rate than you pay on your current credit card. Not only will they that save you money, but you could use those saving to pay your debit down faster. You could also use some of your saving to create an emergency fund if you don't already have one. Simplified payment by consolidating your credit card debit, you will have just one payment to worry about each month instead of several. That could make it easier to budget and to avoid missing any payments. Method of consolidating credit card debit, there are several ways you can consolidate your credit card debit to make it more manageable. The major ones are balance transfer credit card. Many credit card companies offer card with low or 0% interest rates on balance transfers. Typically, the promotional interest rate is for a limited time. So one of these credit can be a great ideal if you are able to pay off the balance before the promotion expires. If you choose this option, so likely you likely will be charged a balance transfer fee, which could be a set amount for a or a percentage of the transferred balance, usually whichever is higher. This fee is usually 3% to 5% of the transferred amount, says Christopher M. Nagibi, exclusive vice president and chief operating officer at First Foundation Bank in Irvine, California. If you are considering a balance transfer credit card, you really owe it to yourself to weigh this cost against the potential interest saving or other benefit to you. Sometimes it does not make sense economically. There are other potential drawbacks to these cards too. For instance, if you don't pay off the balance before the promotional interest rate expires, your rate could increase sustainability. Also, if you make the late payments,